Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to build an exciting new project called CryptoScore. This application allows users to get a credit-like score based on their Ethereum wallet activity. I've developed this project using the Blockscout API, which provides detailed insights into blockchain data. Currently, it supports the Ethereum chain, but in the future, we plan to expand support to other networks available on Blockscout, such as Polygon, BNB Chain, Arbitrum, Optimism, and more. Let's dive into how it works. This is the official documentation page for the Blockscout API. I've used several APIs provided by Blockscout to analyze a user's wallet in detail. First, I fetch the wallet balance using the fetBalance endpoint. Next, I retrieve the complete transaction history by calling the account module with the CLIST action. This helps calculate the total number of transactions. To analyze token activity, I use the ERC721 token transfer events endpoint to gather all NFT transactions associated with that address. All these APIs are well documented on the official Blockscout API page, and I'll share the link in the description if you want to explore them yourself. Now, let's move on to the demo. This is the main dashboard of our CryptoScore app. You simply paste your Ethereum wallet address, and the app connects to the blockchain, fetches transaction history, analyzes risk patterns, and finally generates a credit score. For example, once the data is fetched, you'll see your wallet balance, total number of transactions, first and last activity dates, and an overall risk level. In the demo, we analyzed a wallet that was created recently, with its first transaction on May 29th and the latest on May 31st. The credit score reflects this as a medium risk account with a recommendation to maintain consistent activity. We also display a history of NFT transactions, including token names, dates, and wallet addresses involved in the transfers. Finally, all these details can also be cross-verified on the Blockscout Explorer itself, as the data fetched by our app matches exactly with what's displayed on Blockscout. Now, let's move on to the coding part. In this project, we are using several APIs to fetch different types of data related to a user's blockchain account. First, we have the Balance API, which retrieves the current balance of the user's address. Then, there is the Transaction API, which fetches the entire list of transactions associated with that address. This API uses the module user account and the action transaction list to get all transaction details. The user provides the address as input, and the base URL points to the respective blockchain network's Blockscout API. The response includes the total number of transactions for that address. We also use a Token Holder API, which primarily provides NFT-related data for the user's account. This API uses the module user account with the action token NFT transaction to fetch the NFT details tied to the address. I'll include all the API documentation links and source code in the description below so you can try it yourself or contribute to the project. Thanks for watching, and let's continue building cool Web3 tools together.